Hello everyone, welcome to Tactful Guy YouTube channel. As usual, today I have brought an important video for all of you. After a long time, I have brought a very good, interesting video for all of you, which is used in daily lives. You might need this kind of videos. So, without any delay, I want to start the video. You have already seen in the title. The video is about how to download any videos from famous websites and any websites. We are going to use a very good download manager, that is internet download manager. I can type in the Google and you can see the official website of this download manager, the fastest download accelerator. So it describes everything here. IDM is a tool to increase download speeds by up to 5 times. It has the capacity to resume scheduled downloads, and it has other different features also. But for now we will only talk about how to download videos from any websites in a fastest speed possible and with very much easy process. So we are not going to download from here, or definitely we are not going to buy from here. So I have already downloaded a setup file for this. You can see in the desktop I have already downloaded. I will provide the download link in the description. So for now I will show you how to download it, how to install it. So I will double click here. So when it opens, now you can see this is a zip archive file. So if you have a problem to open this zip archive file, you can download a third-party software, that is PyZip. That is totally free and you can install, and then you can open this zip archive file. What is that called? Archive or archive? Anyways, so when you double click it, you can see Internet Download Manager. You can see here one important notepad note, readme. So first of all, read this properly. You can see 3 steps here. First of all, you have to turn off your internet, otherwise software will not be activated or you will have some problem. So first of all, you turn off your internet. The process is very easy. You go to control panel and you can see in Windows 7 network. Where is that network? Sometimes I am unable to find. Okay, network and sharing. So here you can see advanced settings, adapter settings. From here, local area connection, you can disable it, and in this way you can turn off your internet. So it is now disabled. My internet connection is disabled now. So that is the first step. Second step is turn off Windows Defender real-time protection. In Windows 10 the method is different to turn off. Now in Windows 7 you don't need to turn off your Windows Defender. It is not necessary. It is necessary for Windows 10 because Windows 10 has real-time Defender protection. So for Windows 10 users, you can just click in the search bar here, Windows Security search box here, and then you can click Windows Defender setting, and after then you can click virus and threat protection. Just click that and then you will see next option here, virus and threat protection setting. Click that one also and you will see one real-time protection option. You can click here and you have to turn off it. So that is the process to turn off the Windows firewall. So after that you have to turn off your antivirus also. So I have here this 360 total security antivirus. I will right click it and then I will turn off it. I will permanently close it. So these 3 important steps must be followed before we install Internet Download Manager. So let's double click Internet Download Manager now. We are going to install it. Guys, believe me, this is the world's best download manager. It provides the fastest speed for downloading any kind of files or softwares or videos. Now you can see 2 options here. You can just click next and continue, again next, again next. So again click next. Now here you can see different options. From here you don't need to install additional toolbars, so you can uncheck it, and then this last one, visit the this website, uncheck it. Other things leave it as it is and click next. Now it is installing. It might take some time. So this is the process to install it properly. Don't miss any steps and watch till the end. Don't skip anything so that you will not have any problem later on. Now this internet download manager has been installed. I think yes, we can see in the taskbar here, internet download manager. When we click it, then you can see it is installed. When you click help about IDM, you can see it is a full version. You don't check for update or don't update it. You don't need to update. It works well. I have been using this for a few months and it is working totally. So now let's try to play YouTube videos first. So I'm opening YouTube video. Okay, I have to first of all turn on the internet. So I have disabled this. I will now enable it. Now it should be enabled. Okay, let me check. Control panel, network and sharing center, advanced settings. So I will enable it. It is enabling now. It is now enabled. Okay, this one is network 2. I have to enable this one. So it is now enabled. You can see the internet is on. Now I will open YouTube. Let's see whether we can download the videos or not. So let's play any song here, any video here, this instrumental one. When I open this video and it starts to play, then you can see here one button option here. It is now showing very different place. Let's play another video again. So it is showing here. If this button does not show, or if you want to download the video in higher resolution, first of all you have to play this video in high resolutions. Okay, full HD. Now for an example, I am playing this video in full HD. When I play it, so you can see here the options, 1080p, 720, MP4. So I can download it, MP4. Look, 25 MB, start download. Now it is downloading. So it has resume capability also. You can pause and later on you can resume also. Now it is downloaded, and generally it is downloaded in the downloads, yes, in this folder in the video. So it is now downloaded. So it is that easy. It is very easy. And if you don't see this button here, this option, download this video option here, then sometimes you might need to install IDM CC for you can see IDM CC for Chrome. Now I'm in Firefox browser, so I will say type here IDM for Firefox browser. Yes, so I will just click it, and you can see the official website get IDM CC. So you can click here. So install add-on. So according to the version of your browser, you can see it is 76th version of Firefox. So accordingly you can install this add-on. So when you install this add-on, if it was not showing before, and you can get this button or this option after installing this add-on in your browser. So it is, that problem is also fixed if that was happening or that happens in your case. So it is that simple, guys. If you search any software, if you want Softpedia, let's see, check out some softwares here. Softpedia, free downloads encyclopedia. Suppose I want to install one software or any games, then also that can be downloaded through this internet download manager in the fastest speed. Okay, what is this? Backup all for standard. It is of 126 MB. Just to show you, when you okay, I click here download, buy the full version. For now I just want to show you an example. Mirror download. So it should start, your download should start automatically in few seconds. So now this is started. The download will start with this internet download manager. So whenever okay, it is of 126 MB, I click start now. So look, it is very fast. If it was not installed, it would be slow. Yes, you could not get this speed. I can pause it also because I don't need this software right now. So I just wanted to show you how to download any video, any files with the help of Internet Download Manager. I hope all of you liked this video. It must be useful for all of you. So follow all the steps, watch the video properly, and if you have any questions or confusions, then you can comment down, and don't forget to like, share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you all of you.